What's going on, everybody? For today's tutorial, we're going to be going over how to fund your Hugos Way trading account via Instacoins. After logging into Hugos Way, over to the left, you're going to see deposits. Then you're going to select the wallet, click on USD. Then you're going to select the type, go to credit debit card via Instacoins. Whatever amount you want to deposit, type that here. And next you're going to go to redirect me to payments page. It'll take a few seconds to redirect over to the Instacoins platform. Once you get there, if you don't have an account, go ahead and create an account with your information. And if you already have an Instacoins account, scroll back to the top and you're going to go to log in and go ahead and log in with your credentials. The amount of money you requested to deposit will automatically pop up here. And you're going to have a few options to deposit the money. The easiest way is to go ahead and click credit or debit card. The Bitcoin wallet address is already going to be inputted as well. And you're going to go to pay now. And the final step is to input your credit card information. Once you do this, give it a few hours and the money will be in your Hugos Way wallet. And that's it. For instructions on how to make internal transfers on Hugos Way, refer to our internal transfers video. For tips and tutorials on investing, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And for more information on availability of our online classes, visit our website bpgrinc.com.